IMTEX 2022 is a very forward-looking program to enable all the stakeholders to come under one roof, to connect with each other, to update with each other the latest developments or the new products what has come out, how it can enable them, strengthen them, empower them to become better and to become the best player.
It's a very interesting time for all of us in the industry to see IMTEX back. I would say life is back in BIEC, and one should come and feel that environment in BIEC, because that's a good feel where you have the machines running, making the noises, and those noises look like music to our ears.
This IMTEX has brought that networking back after almost 2.5 years.
You can get a holistic picture of what is happening in terms of the machine industries and machine technology. So you get a one-stop solution to all your needs. That is what IMTEX brings.
IMTEX is a great platform for to display the technologies, particularly the difference what we see post-pandemic. There is a change in the selection of technologies. You know, the automation is increasing, and technology-based companies or the products are gaining advantage.
This time the visitor quality was better than the earlier shows. The people have come with the genuine requirements and it is quite promising.
Very good signs what we can see, and a lot of people are visiting from all over India and abroad.
We got very serious and important customers coming here, and we've been able to generate some new inquiries, so which we would have lost otherwise. So it's very good and positive for us this time.
And we are happy to participate in this, and we are finding a good footfall in the exhibition.
Our footfall is really good. Customers appreciate it really well, and the order bookings are also good in this expo.
We are very happy to be here, and we were really looking forward in this very trying period to see an exhibition, to attend an exhibition, and so far it's been very successful. A lot of people all day. Usually you expect a bit of slowdown first day and last day, but I mean, if you can see around here, it's fully packed also today. So we are very glad to be here.
We really missed this opportunity to meet our customers, and so we are lucky to be back again after this time, and the feedback that we just get right now after after this long break for us is quite positive, and I hope it's be a good start again for the coming months and years again.
IMTEX has always been a trendsetter. It's helped us find new suppliers, new technologies come in. So I'm again very happy to be back here.
This IMTEX is quite busy for us, and we are getting a lot of new customers. The footfall seems to be very good. It is better than expectation actually.
This is the point where the real users come and you are able to connect with them, and you tell what you've done and you show your products. So even if you do not directly get orders, it does help in giving a brand a value and a brand recall, or when somebody has a requirement, they will remember you for sure later.
Crowd are very good, and we got very good inquiries and doing very good business.
So I could see that a wide variety of Atmanirbhar Bharat indigenous developed the machines for producing the rocket and the spacecraft systems. And with this environment, definitely that we can produce and get into the more commercial market in the space activities.
we have been visiting this for a long time, and each time the innovation that happens, and then the new applications, and then how we can leverage the innovation for both efficiency and effectiveness is the one which is attracting me. I'm very happy to see that so much of them in this show also.
I think it's always good to see things physically versus virtual. I found my main area of interest was the additive manufacturing, the IoT, and new technologies. And I'm glad to see a lot of Indian companies venturing into this.
The next IMTEX cutting will be a great example of what we can offer as technology products to the Indian market and globally.